years ago, Dino was born to Davia Thomas and Tambo Sr. This baby was a big achievement for both parents as it was their first child. It was also a high point in their fast-growing relationship at the time. The support grew stronger after Tambo proposed to Davia. This fairy tale ride continued until 2 weeks ago, when Tambo discovered something that gave him some doubts about his paternity. Meet Tambo, the father of Dino. He is going through a turbulent psychological period because uncertainty has set in at a most crucial time in his life.
Why am I doubting after 3 years?
Meet Crab, a friend Tambo met a few months ago. Crab is your typical Jamaican man who holds to a few popular myths about paternity. Although he's a friend, his ignorance makes him a dangerous influence, spreading ignorance through popular myths.
Reggie, why you look so?
No problem. Tell me what the baby is.
You sure I know you're youth? You know, say all of my three pitney them favor me. Them that have no choice.
So what if a baby don't look like you?
Then that pitney couldn't call me daddy.
You know Tess?
Yes. You see, all of my pitney them resemble me. Till all the mother fear one day for fear pitney them. Hello? Yeah, man. Alright then, may I come right now? Alright, cool. Tambo, you have to move here now, you know, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Anyway, that you there? I know you're one.
Yes, man.
Paternity issues in Jamaica are very common not just in Kingston that a lot of people think is Jamaica, but in all 14 parishes we have a paternity issue.
Hello? Mama, remember I told you I'm not coming tonight. All right.
I brought something for you to eat.
Meet Davia. She is in love with Tambo and has high hopes for their life together.
You okay?
Yeah. Go into the bathroom.
Okay.
Came home late.
Shift change. Anyways, Dino is okay. His teacher called me today and she said he's doing very well. She says he has your brain.
The teacher told her that Dino has my brain.
Yes, he's just like you.
Davia, I want to ask you a question. You know why I say nothing more than just answer the question.
So why the attitude?
When you got pregnant, did I deal with somebody else at the time?
What?
Just-
We are talking about?
Just answer the question, Davia.
So why this question after 3 years?
Because when leaf drop a water bottom, it takes time for run.
The baby resembles you. Everybody says that.
Lie! It's like your everybody and my everybody are two different Dino. That is not my child.
Then whose is he?
And that me want you to tell me. Me want you to prove that Dino is my own. It's a gut feeling me have for a while now. A 3 million and much we spent on you and him. And if that is not my youth, I will need a refund.
Tambo, who telling you things?
And you me want to tell me things.
Is there a way that Tambo can claim for all the monies that he has spent on this child if he is not the father? Technically, a black and white answer would be yes. However, what I would say is that having developed a relationship with a child and knowing that the monies went to the maintenance of this child, who would he really be claiming the money from? The mother. Do you really want to do that when it would have served a very good purpose? I mean, I wouldn't recommend that he do it, but technically he probably could.
This week on Your Peace of Mind, we ask,
yeah, man, I have to ask her, I'm going to find out.
Not really if you have a child and you're minding from young. So it just cheap, just take him and done.
Definitely, I would. Well, yes, I would ask her, you know, but I would continue mind the changing, because if my God here is mine.
after the break.
Tambo, are you listening to your friends?
And who are you listening to?
My conscience?
No man now play dolly house with you and me dep on sideline and cheer.